about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Hey Mark, have you seen my apron? Throw it to me. Oh, that's much better. Now we can start. I got my apron on. Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to make crab salad goldenrod. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, but first I want to talk about the recipe. This was my dad's recipe, and when he retired from working, he started cooking. He watched cooking shows, and that got him interested. He used to go to the grocery store like almost every day, and he would always find something to buy, especially tools or gadgets, which is why I have so many tools and gadgets, because I inherited them from him and from my mom. So this was one of my favorites that he would make, and a lot of people liked it. It has very few ingredients, it's cool and refreshing, and it's easy to make. You're gonna need crab, mayonnaise. This is like the smallest container you can buy. We're gonna need lemon juice, onion, celery, and 3 hard-boiled eggs. The first thing I'm going to do is chop the celery, and we're going to want that chopped fine. And this is really going to be the most amount of work for the whole recipe. I've already chopped our onion, so I'm going to go ahead and add that now. You can add any of these ingredients. Now, this is real crab. This is not imitation. So there's a big price difference. Your choice if you want to use imitation or real. And actually, today we're doing a taste test. Mark and I are going to decide, do we like the real or the imitation? I've taken it out of the jar and I flaked it. Next is our lemon juice. I'm using fresh lemons. I'm probably not going to use all of this juice. These are hard-boiled eggs. We're going to separate the yolk. Let me go ahead and cut them all first. The yolk is going to be our goldenrod part of the recipe. That's going to go on at the end. We'll take the yolks, just put them right there. There we go. I'm going to put that aside for right now. And chop up the whites. Mayonnaise. Now, Mark doesn't really like mayonnaise. I like mayonnaise, but not a lot. And he loves this recipe. So you're going to have to decide how much you want to add. It might be like a tablespoon and a half that I've added, but I'm gonna base it on taste. I'm gonna add some lemon juice. That will help loosen it up. I'm gonna take a taste test. That's really good. But I think I am gonna add a little more mayonnaise. And a little more lemon juice. You can put it on lettuce, you can eat it with cracker. With the egg yolks, what we're gonna do is just break them up. And all you're gonna do with these is just sprinkle them on top. That looks beautiful. Just put them in the center, and it's ready to eat.
Baby spoons.
Baby spoons. So now we're gonna try the crab salad. We're gonna put some, if we can, on each cracker. This is the imitation.
Okay. And this is the fresh, real crab?
Right.
The one you just made.
Right. Not fresh, but real crab. I think I put too much lemon juice in. I made this yesterday, just to be fair.
I like the real way better. The K-Rab, as I call it, imitation crab. I don't know, it's pinker and prettier, but it's got a chewy, taste to it. I don't
It's
like.
sweeter.
Rubberier.
Rubberier. New word.
It is sweeter.
It is sweeter.
Tastes like it has sugar added to it. This, however.
But nothing else is different. All the same ingredients. I'm not sure. I gotta try it again.
They're both good. However.
Big price difference though. This crab was $2.99, the imitation. The real crab was $13.99. That's a big difference.
No wonder it tastes better.
Yeah, I think I put a little bit too much lemon juice, but again, you can adjust it.
That's good.
So you think that one's the better one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm undecided.
Well, thanks, friends.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The recipe will be in the description box. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Got a shell.
And that's going to happen with real.
You don't get the shell in the K-Rab.
That's right.